Ploxia is a tool which allows you to get new followers and interaction. This is going to make your account grow in a real way step by step. Thanks to this app, you're going to be able to set up different automations. It is compatible both with Android and with the official accounts of Instagram and TikTok. We're going to be able to promote our account following profiles, giving likes, and sending comments to profiles which belong to our market niche. We're also going to be able to program posts, so we're going to save ourselves a lot of time. Also, we can send automated messages to all of our new followers, therefore Ploxia is going to enable our account to grow. Working with Ploxia is very easy. To start off, we will need to register ourselves in the web page and add some currency. We can configure the different features by days depending on our personal needs. In this particular example, we're setting the days in 7. As we see, it has a very affordable price and its distribution by days is very comfortable to use. This also means that we can work with our remaining budget without worrying about an automated charging method. Now we head into the configuration panel where we can customize the features. In this left area we can see the promotion, posts, and direct messages tabs. In order to automize them properly, we will need to configure them first in the web page and then in our phone. In this promotion tab, we're going to interact with other accounts. In it, we can find 3 sections: followers, hashtags, and targets. In the followers section, we're going to add accounts that share similar characteristics as ours. In this way, Ploxia can interact with accounts that may be interested in our content, making much easier new follows. We can also choose the hashtag option if we're interested in using hashtags that belong to our market niche, trending ones, or simply choose the followers which we want the app to interact with. In order to start automating all of the features, we will need to download the app in our Android smartphone through the Google Play Store. Once in our mobile phone, we search for Social Bridge, we tap the download button and wait until the app is fully downloaded. As we can see when we open the app, we're asked to introduce a code. This code is located in Ploxia's webpage, which we saw previously. We now copy this number and paste it in the Social Bridge app. This app is very intuitive and easy to use. We recommend you to give Ploxia permissions by adjusting the accessibility settings in your phone in order to maximize Ploxia's potential. Here we can see an example of how to do it. Remember that this may vary depending on the smartphone you have. Another recommendation that may be useful is to keep the screen of your phone unlocked always. This way we will allow the app to work uninterruptedly when you're using Instagram. You may change this in your screen settings. This said, we're going to see the automation feature of the app. As we can see in the screen, activate or turn off each of the features separately depending on our preferences. We're going to try out now the promotion feature to see how it interacts with the rest of the profiles, likes, and follows. After tapping the launch button, we set the speed to medium and we can already see how the app starts working. As we see, it starts searching for profiles with similar interests as ours, which turns them into potential followers. We now leave the app working by its own, which is going to allow us to have more visibility and followers. The next feature we're going to see is the direct message one. Here we're going to be sending private messages to other accounts. A very interesting characteristic about this feature is that we can send a message to a list of accounts of our choice or to all of our followers. This is very useful since we can send a welcome message, talk a little bit about ourselves, or maybe asking directly for a follow to our other accounts. To do this, we would head into the direct message tab inside the Ploxia app where we would click the create button. Here we can choose between a welcome message or a custom list. Then we would hit the launch button in the mobile app to start the automatization. As we see, the app starts sending messages automatically, which is super useful because we immediately start interacting with other accounts, opening the possibility to different marketing strategies. Last but not least, we find the unfollowing feature, which is especially useful when the number of accounts that we follow is too high. This feature allows our account to unfollow people in a natural way. Another positive aspect of this is the amount of time that we save ourselves by not having to do it manually. As we see in the screen, the app automatically starts searching and unfollowing these accounts. It is very simple to use and super useful. To sum up, through all of the features that we've seen in this video, we have managed to save a lot of time thanks to the automated processes, obtain visibility, and maximize our social media's performance thanks to Ploxia. Remember that this is super easy to configure and to use. Another important and positive factor is that in the near future, Ploxia will be adding a feature that will allow us to schedule our posts, which will make our life much easier. Thank you very much. This has been all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and let's see you in the next one.